Backtesting. Every day until profitable. Day 454. I'm gonna do like a half-hour session today. Keep it really short. Should be in bed already, but kind of took a big nap after work. So yeah, now I'm just gonna backtest and then do a half-hour session, then go to sleep. Yeah, so I did some backtesting in at work. So I kind of want to do this again. I took a W trade there, but I kind of want to do this then and then journal it because Trump was speaking here, but I took a nice trade there, so I want to redo that. See if I take the same trade, see if it's still good. Gonna continue with freestyling again. Yeah, watching this movie on the side, Frankenstein. Just started it, so. So I think this is the first day where it started with Trump speaking. So I did wrote down the W that I took. Yeah, we had high impact news, so maybe it makes the day better. That. But yeah, I want to see what happens. Let me first go back to 10th of February. Alright, let's see. So we're looking bullish, even though we're expecting a BISI or SIBI. Did like liquidity at that low. Higher time frame is still delivering bullish, but not really a clean manipulation. This is clean, this push. Before we go higher, we have to go lower. We did that here. And then we did take the higher time frame and still be bullish. And then here we have the SMT. And then if we are bullish, even though we had a deep retracement here. And the closure below. Put an NQ and yes. We're still holding this actually. What it's looking like, it's that it wants to go higher. But before you go higher, you must go lower. I'm seeing these very, very clean lows. Same thing here on ES. And even lower there actually. But I prefer higher because it looks more clean higher. But I just have to zoom in and structure here. It's not a horror movie, right? I don't know. Okay, let's keep watching. Honestly. To die here. Honestly, I don't not like this. But the thing is, I'm not sure yet when it should be a trade or no. this is all looking very clean, but like this low is already taken. So it is hard. I wouldn't enter on this, but I do think it could go. Okay, good. So the other run this is taken, I guess. Still waiting though. I prefer still lower. Not trusting this move. Like for now I would prefer bullish, even though this looks very clean. It's now obviously trending bullish, but I have to wait for a lot more structure before I can actually look for that long. Clean lows taken. Clean lows taken. Inversion. The singular gap still. So now it's how it goes and go to PM. Not really moving clean up. See what we do. It could go both ways, but it really depends on the sweep. Did I call these equalize? Honestly, I would enter on this. Because we have taken the liquidity, even though we then inverse this. I'd already go break even here anyway. I'd like these clean lows. But then I'm starting pretty low. Maybe even lower, but let's see. Okay, that's just an instant loss. But it's a singular gap, yeah. Like there is this low which is already taken, which I don't like. I'm just gonna do it the first like low. I have written this down. I have my book downstairs to sit there. This first swing low can't be taken, and all the trades that I've taken, like those clean W trades, looked at it from there. Never have we taken the low already. Look, this low. $11.16 entry. Okay, where you have to look here actually. No, we have not taken a low. Have to look there. Same thing here, yeah. Okay, let me use that as a like base rule. Wait, what? Wait, what? This castle, isn't this the castle in... What's the movie called again? Oh my god. Bro, what? Does this movie not exist or something? Monte Carlo, right? What was it called again? Oh my god. Monte Carlo. Oh my god, what was it? Oh yeah, this is the Count of Monte Carlo. Oh, Monte Cristo, oh my god. This castle. Bro, it's totally different. What am I on? It's totally different. Never mind. Looks cool though. Okay, so let me not take this out. Wait a bit more. Now you're taking equal lows on yes. Deny already taken. Nothing there. Could be if we inverse this. It's clean though. She don't too. If clean lows here. It's not really looking clean. Okay, now you've moved up. We're going for the highs. Didn't really see manipulation. Does that mean we want to go lower? Maybe. Oh, I guess so. Let's see if it will get clean. Alright, so... Oh, bro, I thought we took that. We didn't. So I'm waiting. Now we took it. Let's see what we do. It's gonna be king, so I'm not sure. I'm not trading while Trump is then speaking after market hours, but like I'm not sure if I'm gonna be trading this. Like if price action just sucks, then yeah, then I'm probably not gonna actually take these trades. I'm probably gonna go back. Honestly, this looks good, but it's not an entry because we took the low again. So I'm waiting. Look, nice drop. That's how my kills on so far. It's Monday. No losses, but also no W's. Not really a cleanest price action, but it's decent. Let's go try Tuesday. Draw still higher. Now close above this, making it a busy. Reclaim busy. We are trading lower here though. But again, like I like this move. We went higher, but we didn't really swept anything. Now we did though on ES. Could be if we are actually bullish This could be a very quick move to the upside. We do have ball speaking at 10 though. So have to wait at least until that. Look at that, beautiful. See if that all wants to get taken. Hopefully you don't instantly do it. That's 10 AM. Oh man, look at that. It's gonna go for this and that. Okay, I think this will be very clean. Ten 12, we did have an SMT with a take equal lows here. Not a huge fan of this, but it is a trade, then I would say. Expected once, just once closure. SMT at the low. Yeah, I do think this looks good, but you never know what we want to do in here. I would say the sweep is already, like it has already happened, so. I'm not really seeing any clean highs here. We did take like this form of a trend line liquidity high here. And we didn't really have a yeah, we did have a retracement. Because we have the SMT here, well yeah. So then this is my first next strong liquidity. And there are no really like clean highs here. So what I'm doing then is, that'll be my final TP. And I want it to be 75% off and then go break even with my stop loss. See if you even want to go higher. Okay. So far, looking good. Not yet, that might break even. Still in this trade. Oh my god. I'm breaking even right now. It's taking a long time. Wow. Wow. What a dude just barely hit. Oh my god. That's crazy. And I'm also really looking if I can do, or if I have to do like 75% off at the 1 and 2, or I should do like 90% off and have like 10% run. Like, yeah, maybe that's better. But this at least is already a beautiful W. While Trump is speaking, while we have Powell, we do have high impact news. We didn't have it here, so maybe a difference. Could write that down. I'm not following this movie at all, literally zero. His mother just died, I noticed, but other than that, I'm not watching at all. Wow, look at that. This movie is crazy. Just like, yeah, Trump is speaking, so it could be unexpected price action. President speaking, Trump speaking. Okay, so still I would say higher time frame is bullish. If we did have that in SMT at this high, I would still say higher time is bullish, but I'm not gonna like go all longs here. Like we're obviously just trending lower, but then targeting easy things. So this low, at least probably, and then maybe this low, maybe even lower, but let's first see these. And then if we even take this low, then probably you want to go even lower. So yeah, I am looking for shorts. Let's see. Some sort of, before we go lower, we must go higher. Just some sort of clean liquidity taken before we can go actually lower. I don't see anything here. Damn, actually. Oh, luckily. Oh, actually. Okay, no equal lows, luckily. That's good. Didn't want to go back for it. So far I'm actually liking this tool, like showing if it's like equalizer now. Like let's say I want to see if this low is like equal to this, like well, objectively equal. I mark it to the leg or no, to this leg before that move lower, and then yeah, this would be then equal. So simple, but yeah, it could work. Okay, let's see. Wow, actually took equal lows here now. Oh, we did inverse here, 1052. Yeah, but yeah, honestly, I was still looking for shorts, right? We did take these equal lows, and also we have an SMT here. Still, I'm not really liking this, though. Because, yeah, I am looking for lower. Let's not take it. Let's see what it did. Nice. SMT plus equal lows taken. Anything if the draw liquidity is still incorrect. Alright, so what I've written down now is equal low slash equal highs taken plus SMT. Doesn't matter if the trial liquidity is incorrect. Of course, obvious, but so this means alright. The trial liquidity is incorrect, so this means that a pattern is not everything. Look at the market structure. It all sounds so logical, but with trading as well, it all sounds so simple. Just follow your strategy, don't break the rules. That's it. Boom, you're profitable. But it's not as simple. Yeah, alright, so didn't take that trade. Looking for shorts. Our diver is still bearish. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh, it's not even equalize. Waiting. We are trending high. Now it looks like this. I want to see this as the high. Because I want the lower, but now we have taken this high again. So probably we're heading for even higher now. So even though this looks clean, like what is more likely where we're going to now? I would say these highs. Oh, keyboard disconnected. I swear this keyboard's so annoying, it's so sensitive. Alright. Let me mark the high that's actually not taken. There. Alright, so let's see. Before we go higher, we must go lower. Now it looks obvious to me that we want to go higher, but market has to show that again. Oh, it's outside my kill zone. Did not notice. I would say these equal lows. Eventually we went even lower. We didn't take equal lows, but yeah, it's in lunch hour, so hopefully we can manipulate even lower. I don't think lower than this, but maybe some structure in here and then go higher. But yeah, could also just instantly trend higher. Hopefully we don't. Waiting. That's taken clean. Okay, no equal lows now. This, that has to be taken. That's what I want to see. There. Now I'm bullish. Give me the trade. 3 minutes. Give me it. Boom. This is like a trade. I'm so confident with this, bro. This has now everything. Even as an SMT. I would risk even double on this, even though it's not. I'm probably never gonna do it on a serious account. If I'm like full porting or risking a bit more on like a funded account, which is not like my actual actual money. Yeah, that's probably what I'll be going for. So these look very clean, these highs. Probably is like actual equalize. Yeah. But this high is actual high that's not taken already. Here we do have perfect equalize as well though, which I don't really like because that means that I have to go break even right there. Or there on yes, let's see. Yeah, I'm in this. Let's see, I'm very confident with this. Yeah, stop that. I just want to say I'm so confident with this, and when I'm so confident with something, most time it's not good. Most time I'm still, getting surprised. There it is, as well. Oh my. The rule that I'm still using here, it looks like I'm really going for like, oh, I took this loss. Shouldn't be a loss, but that's why I want to prove it. Where did I write it up? Five minutes before 4-hour candle opening entry. 4-hour candle opening. Just now. You can see that the entry would be either at 10:01, 10:02, or 10:03. After that, price never went back to 10:01. Okay, I have it somewhere. It's still the same thing. So that means 10 a.m., 10:01, yeah, 9:54 closure, 10 no entry, and then I have to wait for 4-hour candle opening, so no entry yet. In this very case, you have a buy stop order right after 10, so you can still enter, right? But here, 5 minutes before 4-hour candle opening, look at that, another manipulation. Bro, it's like oh my god, this discovery, but it's just a rule that I have, which I did not notice. In live trading I would notice, because then like time is way slower then, so I could look at it way more, like I'm skipping all this pretty fast. So let me see and wait now, look, 13:53, enter somewhere there, so now 4-hour candle opened, 3 hour, 48 minutes. Now I'm waiting again for a new structure to get taken. Or we buy stop order, or we close buffers right there, but we didn't tap that, right? Nope. Trading lower, do have an SMT. I don't think it's gonna hold. I would still look for higher actually. Equal lows, I guess. Nothing here. This could be very clean. Here's why we have an SMT at the low. I can enter on an SMT, but does this really look like it's the reversal? No, I'm waiting a bit more. And if it goes like it. Oh, and it actually does. Wow. But this really doesn't look like manipulation. Like here, you have an SMT there as well, yeah, but in here, like this is not taken, but this doesn't look like a reversal at all. So nice, okay, but no entries for me. And 1511 is all it's on my kill zone. And eventually don't even take the eye. Wow. Okay. Do one more trading day. You have news here again. No, actually, let me end the session here. I'm gonna go to sleep. Let me continue tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you were in the future, have a good night or nice day wherever you are. Thank you. See you. Ciao.